Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, if you didn't know. Today we're going to be unboxing some some Sephora play boxes or bags. So if that's what you want to see today, just keep on watching. Okay, I have two Sephora play bags. The one for December was this one. Play awarded goes to Play by Sephora. Okay. So, what we have in this little bag, which I love these bags. They're so reusable in my opinion. Yeah, this is okay. The first thing that I pulled out was the Grand Cosmetics Intense Thickening Mascara. That is going to be very interesting to try. That's what the packaging looks like. The little mascara. Oh, it has castor oil in it. Castor oil. And the wand. Oh, it's a pretty big wand. I suppose it helps your lashes grow since it has castor oil in it. That's good. The next thing we have is some WayWay body cleanser. There you go. Let's see what that smells like. It has can you see it? It is sealed. Yay! With my mouth first, because it came off a lot easier. That smells pretty good. I'm going to try that. Okay. The next thing we have is Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. Smells nice and natural. And I love these little containers like this. They're so good for traveling. But here you go. Let's see what else is in here. This is like my favorite. I've been waiting to get this in something. I didn't think I ever would, but I did. The Sol Genera, is that what it's called? Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. There you go. I'm going to have to teach my camera how to focus. It smells so good. I can't wait to use that. So that was the fourth thing. The last thing in here is the Marc Jacobs eyeliner. It looks like it's an eyeliner. It says eyeliner, but I think it also, yes, it has a little twisty, so you can move it up and you don't have to sharpen it, which is so wonderful. And there you go. It says Marc Jacobs right there. So you have a nice 5 little things in here. In my opinion, they're wonderful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the Sephora plate is only $10. There are a couple of times in the month where you can get past Sephora plate boxes. I think they're $9 if you wait till the next month and get the previous month. I think they're like $9. You can check that out too. Okay, this is January's little bag, which is red. It has my hair all over it. This is everything else in this house. My hair's everywhere. This month's theme was the Zodiac theme. Okay. the first thing on top was the Viktor. Yeah, this is a bonus. Viktor and Rolf Magic Sage Spell. This is just a little spray perfume. Let's see what it smells like. I know you can't smell it, but I might can. Let's see if I can explain it. Oh, it smells like a natural fragrance. So they must be a natural, like, company. Anyway, the next thing I pull out is the Smashbox Photofinish Smooth and Blur Primer, which is one of my favorites. So I do not mind getting a little sample of that. The next thing I get in here is the Glam Glow. Let's see if I have anything in here about that. Allow this purifying charcoal infused mask to provide clarity to your skin and your physique. It helps if I put it the right way up. I've used these before. I don't really care too much for them, but I have 2 girls that like to play and stuff like that, so that might help them. This is the WayWay Shiseido. I don't even know if you'd be able to see that. Let's see. Get my face out of view. Turn it the right way. Anyway, it is Clear Mega Hydrating Cream. Intense hydration for the next 24 hours after applying this clear gel moisturizer featuring carrot and peony extract. It smells pretty good. Let's see. Feels pretty good on my hand. That's going to be something nice to try out. Okay. The next thing in this box, which I have like 6 or 7 of these already, the Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. I wonder if this is in, what color this is in. Oh, this is in Warm Blonde, and I am, well, might look blonde, but it's like a dark blonde. But here's what they look like. I have quite a few of these in different colors and these little teeny tubes, and you open it up like this and it looks like that. But obviously this one will be way too light for me, so I'll find somebody to get that too. And the very last thing in this box is the Tattoo Liner. Trooper Black is the color in Kat Von D. Looks like this. I've gotten several of these in the past couple of days, past couple of weeks. I got one in one of the Boxycharms, I think. But nevertheless, it's a good eyeliner. And like I said, these boxes are only $10 a month. And if you wait till the next month, like this month, you could, at some time in the month, you can get the month before for only $9. So if you're interested in that, it's a nice way to learn about products and see if you like it, so you don't have to spend your entire month pay on one product. Just my opinion. If you like this video, feel free to give me a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe if you have not already. That is it for this video. I hope to see you guys in the next one.